traders, we are looking at the euro dollar daily time frame. Have a look here. So I've just picked up these lows, these highs, pulled it through. I've picked up these highs, pulled it through. So just a couple of levels here of interest. Now there's a couple of things about this chart. First up, if we go out to the weekly, I'll just show you this quickly and then we'll come down the time frames. See this weekly range, low to high. Okay, so we've got this weekly range that is significant because we could possibly see a deeper pullback than what a lot of people are anticipating. Let's just grab that and call that a measured move. I would consider that a possibility. So you want to factor in the risk and the possibility that this retraces back down. There it is, 61.8 fib. That's my yellow zone. So you want to be pretty careful with this. So that's on the weekly time frame. The daily, if we go down, it's the same story. Yeah, we've had this pullback here. Let's just grab that, pull that. Yeah, I mean, it brings us down, but if it's going to break these lows here, the next port of call is down here. So factor in the possibility that we get a deeper pullback with this, guys. Just be really, really careful with this. So if I'm looking at this from a daily perspective, there's going to be two ideas. One is 61.8 fib. That's one idea. Let's just grab that. 61.8 fib pullback. Okay, that's a thing. Stop loss down under here. And targets, well, all we have to do is look left and pick up some of these key levels. And we'll come back and we'll look at another idea as well. But there's a target. By the way, guys, check out the link below. I've just uploaded a video onto my YouTube channel on scalping / day trading the euro dollar on a 15-minute and a 3-minute time frame. It's really worth a watch, and you'll find the link to my YouTube channel below. There's an idea. Okay, I like that. What have we got? 1 to 4.5 risk to reward. That's a nice outcome if we get it possible in this current environment, right? The thing with this though is it doesn't pull back that far. Quite often you'll find, we get a bit of a pullback, reasonably sharp. It didn't come back down into here, and then we're off to the races. Let's just go down to a 4-hour chart. This is another idea. So we've got this 4-hour range here, low to high, fib pullback on this one. Brings us down into, the 50 to 618, there's a potential entry here, something like that, and we're off to the races, okay? Two ideas. That could be a thing, but, you want to trade with conservative position sizes. Be consistent with that, because every now and again, smart money is going to surprise you. And they did that last week. Okay, we had a few rough days there in the last week or so. So, just be careful, guys, in the markets. There's a lot of risk involved. Click the link below. Check out my YouTube channel and have a look at that last video on how to get involved with this on the 15-minute time frame and really smash this market. So, look, that's an idea as a 4-hour idea. That could work. We get a shallow pullback. We're off to the races. And if they get aggressive and they're really hunting stops here, they could pull it back down in here and then we head off. So there's a couple of ideas. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Comment. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. We'll see you in the next video.